Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joy and it's a pleasure to welcome you to Joy's family. It's winter season at this moment and your girl doesn't function well during winter season. So the only way I can survive during this season is for me to make me something nice, warm or hot. It's either make me a soup or some tea. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make you some nice, delicious, spicy Swahili Kenyan tea. Let's go to the kitchen and make this tea. These are my ingredients, guys. As you can see, you don't need so much. You only need water. You also need milk, and in this case I chose to use the organic grass-fed milk. For those people who don't consume milk, you can eliminate the milk. It will still taste the same. Whatever matters is the ingredient I'm using in this tea. You need sugar. You also need rosemary. I'm using fresh rosemary because I just love the taste and the flavor it gives the tea, or it brings to the tea. You also need some raw ginger or fresh ginger. You also need some tea bags. In this case I'm using the original Kenyan tea bags. Then you also need some tea masala. This one is original Kenyan tropical heat pure ground tea masala, and it does have ginger, cinnamon, cardamoms, cloves, black pepper and nutmeg. So you can still find these things raw, but it makes it easy for me because it has all these ingredients. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 ingredients at once, so I just feel like it's easy for me to use that. Moving on, you need to warm your water first before you pour in your milk. So this is my water. It's a little bit warm, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to add in some milk. Once I add in the milk, I will let my tea sit for a while and just bring it to boil. My tea is almost coming to its boiling point, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some fresh ginger. Then I'm going to let it sit for a minute or two before I can go in with my rosemary. So at this moment is already 1 minute past, and I'm going to add in the fresh rosemary. I'm doing this process simultaneously so that I can get the flavors. I can get to infuse the tea with the flavors from the fresh ginger and the fresh rosemary. The rosemary gives the tea the mint flavor, and the ginger makes the tea spicy. Now my tea is almost coming to its complete boiling point. I'm going to add in some tea bags so that it can have some color in it. I love my tea darker, so you can add in as much tea bags as you want depending on how dark or light you want your tea to be. Then next I'm going in with the spices, the tea masala. And this, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not measuring it, I'm just eyeballing it. You can measure if you want to, but I just love to eyeball things. I'm not so good at measuring the ingredients and going as per the book. I know you told your friend you're... Now that most of my ingredients are already inside the tea, I'm going to mix everything together, guys. When I tell you I feel like I have elevated my tea experience by infusing these bold flavors of fresh ginger and fragrance rosemary into the boiling concoction, I'm not lying. The more you stir the tea, the more you create a soothing blend that just tantalizes the taste bud, and it fills the air with irresistible aromatic symphony. I can't wait to try this tea.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time
my last ingredient is sugar, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the sugar.
in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be.
All my ingredients are in the tea. I'm just mixing everything together and giving it more boil so that I can get the color and the aroma that I desire for my tea. And now, as you can see the way it's boiling, it means everything is ready and this tea is ready to be consumed.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt.
The moment you've all been waiting for is right here. Drum rolls, please. Voila, this is how my tea turned out. I love taking my tea with some mandazis, biscuits, or some cookies. Please share your recipes on how you make your tea. I would like to try it, and leave me comments in the comment section below if you try this, and let me know how it turns out for you.
Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Thank you so much for sticking by. Now that you know how to make Kenyan spicy Swahili tea, what are you waiting for? Please go make your own tea and let me know what you think about this tea in the comment section below. Show me some love by liking this video, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? This is the time for you to do it. Until next time, enjoy your tea, stay warm, be kind. Bye.
Like nothing I felt, my mind